That's Uncle June from the Philippines.
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica. That's June from Jamaica. Bad boy June from Jamaica. Anyway, this is what's going on. So we have some issue. As you know, we have some damaged things them so far, a few cabinets damaged, so so this piece gonna go there. Panel for the between those two piece damage as well, so we cannot do that piece. So and then this piece has no damage. You make gentleman say we can put it up temporarily and then have to remove it back in order to finish the job. So then the top piece for that one also damaged. So anyway, that's how it is. Okay.